Most pocket knives are built to be big and intimidating. But what if a tool was built for movement instead? Meet Linkfin. This is a compact titanium folding knife that completely changes how you think about everyday carry. It is built around a unique sliding link mechanism. Here, the blade and the track move together in one fluid motion. Opening it doesn't feel like a chore. It feels like a deliberate mechanical gesture that you'll want to repeat over and over again. This tool wasn't actually designed around the blade first. It was designed around the way it moves. The sliding link rail connects the handle and the blade into a single, continuous flow. It turns a simple function into something satisfying. You've probably experienced bulky tools that weigh down your pockets. This gadget is different. It is tiny, it is small, but somehow it shows up constantly throughout your day. It's for those little tasks that happen when you aren't looking. Opening the morning mail, trimming a loose thread, slicing through heavy packaging tape at the office. Because it's so light, you might forget it's there until you need it. But once you start using it, you'll find yourself reaching for it a dozen times a day. For a tool this small, safety and confidence are everything. You don't want a blade that feels loose or wobbly. That is why this product features a top pin detent locking mechanism. It is tuned specifically to the motion of the slide. As the blade reaches the fully open or closed position, the pin settles into place. It doesn't use brute force, it uses certainty. This gives you a clicking snap that tells your hands the blade is secure. Whether it's hanging on your keys or tucked in a coin pocket, it stays put. No accidents, no wasted movement. When you shrink a tool down to this size, the materials you use become much more important. This product is made entirely from titanium. Why titanium? Because it offers three things that cheap steel can't. First is reliable rigidity. The mechanism stays precise every single time you open it. Second is everyday durability. It is resistant to sweat, moisture, and general wear and tear. Third is lightweight strength. It's tough enough to last a lifetime, but light enough that it won't bounce around in your pocket. The design is minimal because it had to be. There is no extra length and no wasted space. It is scaled perfectly to the movement of your thumb. The creators also added some subtle, thoughtful details. There is a soft glow along the handle. It's faint and steady, just enough to help you find it in a dark bag or a dimly lit room without being distracting. It also comes in two distinct finishes. There is a sandblasted titanium version that catches the light softly and feels great to the touch. Then there is the black coating. It's rich, confident, and makes the mechanical links really pop. At the end of the day, this isn't just a knife. It's a precision-engineered companion for your daily routine. If you enjoyed this look at modern engineering, please like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into unique gear. If you want to see this tool for yourself, I've placed the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.